Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Spirit Lake, local and long distance movers near me. Regarding moving within Spirit Lake, 3 Movers is your reliable local partner. They take charge of every aspect of the moment you begin your move. 3 Movers comprehensive services are tailored to Spirit Lake's requirements, whether skillfully packing and unpacking your belongings, carefully disassembling and reassembling furniture, or managing the logistics. With 3 Movers at your side, you can fully immerse yourself in Spirit Lake's charm and community while leaving the intricate details of your move in capable hands. Relocating to Spirit Lake's serene landscapes require a well-coordinated effort and expert guidance. For those venturing beyond Spirit Lake's borders, long-distance relocation is made smoother with the expertise of Spirit Lake's long-distance 3 Movers. These seasoned professionals know how to navigate the intricacies of state-to-state moves, providing a reliable and efficient passage for your belongings. Spirit Lake's movers collaborate closely with you to develop a customized plan for your specific requirements and budget. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Spirit Lake moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.